Hey, Jefferson Multimedia, we're working on that timeline in Canva. I want to make sure that we aren't changing anything other than new words in the text box and then new pictures. Because if you look at my original that we took it from, there's one line for the title, and then there's 4 lines of text, and then there's one picture. Let me show you what I did with it. I've changed my first box. I wanted to make sure that I had exactly 4 lines of text in mind. And I also found a new picture. 4 lines here, 4 lines here. What does it say? Billie Joe Armstrong and Mike Dirnt, which is the bass player, were grade school friends who formed the band Sweet Children in high school. So I've got 4 lines of text, and the original had how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And there was 1 line for the title, right? What do I have? 1 line for the title. Then I uploaded my picture and I dropped it right here in this box. So you want your copy to have the same number of lines in each section as the original. If we add stuff, if we move stuff, and I don't want you to move anything, it winds up looking like this. Move things around and it looks like this. It's clunky, it's ugly, it looks weird because we've got the words on top of the photo and we've written so many words that go off the bottom. So then what we'll do is we'll move it over here, and now see how the words go off the edge. Everything should be in the purple box. Notice how everything fits. You've got a solid background. So what I don't want us to do is don't move stuff around, because it takes the simplicity, it takes the beauty of the template and it makes it look bad. So that's why I said from the beginning, don't change the number of lines, don't move things. And if you have and it looks like this, you know what I would have you do? Start again and do it again. Because I realized I broke my own rule when I did the first tutorial. Because I needed how many lines of text? 4. But I had 3. So I went back and found something different to write here that was exactly 4 lines long. And then I found a new picture to go with it. If you move stuff around, it's going to look like this. It's going to be clunky. It's going to be awkward. So if you've moved something, it's easier to stop and start the whole thing again. Because a lot of us will stretch things way out and it'll look really funky and weird. But a lot of times, we don't look at our work closely enough to know that we've made a mistake. So I'll have us go back and take that quiz and review the stuff. But 1 line equals 1 line. 4 lines equals 4 lines. And the picture doesn't change. The picture doesn't move. Don't move anything because it's already pretty the way it is. You just type in your stuff and we're cool. Cool, thanks. That's all I got. Bye-bye.